Welcome to the Doc's Mindscape, where we bridge cutting-edge science with real-world healing. I'm Dr. Scott, and today we're tackling what might be the root cause behind your fatigue, brain fog, and unexplained weight changes: your gut health. Here's the uncomfortable truth: that bloating after meals, your afternoon energy crashes, those random skin flare-ups, they're not separate issues. They're all red flags from your microbiome. Recent studies show nearly all of us have some degree of gut lining damage, what we call intestinal permeability or leaky gut. But here's the good news: your body wants to heal. In my practice, I've seen remarkable turnarounds when we focus on three key areas: elimination, repair, and repopulation. First, we need to remove the offenders: inflammatory foods, unnecessary medications, and chronic stress. Then we repair the gut lining with targeted nutrients like L-glutamine and zinc carnosine. Finally, we repopulate with quality probiotics and prebiotic fibers. Tonight, I want you to try this simple starter protocol. Swap your afternoon snack for a handful of raw almonds. The skin acts as a prebiotic. Take 5 deep belly breaths before each meal to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and consider a high-quality probiotic. Look for strains like Lactobacillus, rhamnosus, and Bifidobacterium longum. Remember, healing happens at the speed of your consistency, not your urgency. Start small, track your changes, and trust the process. Your gut didn't get damaged overnight, and the repair takes time. But I promise you, when your gut heals, your entire body thanks you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Doc's Mindscape for more science-backed health insights. Drop a comment below with your biggest gut health challenge. I read everyone. Until next time, this is Dr. Scott reminding you that true health begins from within.